Welcome to another evidence video on my driving robot Mydfir based on the fischertechnik robo interface with line following sensors, sonar for object detection and a color sensor which is active but doesn't have to do with the subject on which I focus in this video, because the focus is on object detection and its reaction. And if you look at the current situation with the distance to the object from the sonar between 6 and 8 centimeters, then the idea is that it drives backwards, and a little bit depending on when and in which sequence the objects are being detected. Color of the objects doesn't matter at all, just being there, distance, etc. Then what happens? What should happen? Well, what should happen is driving backwards and then driving forwards towards the object or following a line. And that's it. So let's see whatever does happen. And by the way, it is a wireless connection by radio frequency. And right now you already see, it meets with an error it had last time as well. And that error is dependent on a variable called line detect. So let me try to find that. And this is a line detect for what actually? The line detect is that it, when it drives backwards, only detects it once, because it used to go driving in circles, and that's losing time and energy. So with the line detect, if it detects it twice, it stops. But then again, why does it expect a character buffer object if I use it just like that? So let's go take a look at the actual code. Much more use than just talking about it. So this is the situation, it didn't move at all. So this is the error again. And let me put the camera a bit into normal position, I hope. And this part is coming from entry slowly left, so this is it. And I have here a problem, so I need to, I have a big problem now. Alright, I need to start the editor again, which is somewhere here. Right here, and this one goes here. Oops. So find line 358 or more appropriate, line detect. Which is right here. And then it has a problem here. Well, if I look at these, it goes exactly like it goes here. It says line detect is 1, which is correct. And then, why does it expect a character buffer object? Line 4, line in 4. Oh, really? Wait. That could be it. When I do it exactly like here. So, string okay. That could be it. Then I have to do it right here as well. Yes. Okay. Oh, there's another line detect, of course. So right here. Is there another one? Yes, of course. And maybe yet another one. No. Alright. So now with a save action, let's go. No such device? I would think there is. On the other hand, this isn't now doing anything. Yeah, it is doing something. Okay, there it goes. But this is not what I expect. One pass. Right. Not right. Okay. I have to really put it back into position. Like somehow like this. Maybe even closer, although sonar goes 3-dimensional cone in a 30 degrees angle. So it should be detected nicely. Very nicely. So let's go again. This is somewhat unexpected. Okay, quit. Let's go back in data. So I don't know what happened, but why does it push the objects away? Something I really don't get. Okay, let's just roll and see whatever happens. And now we're at the distance of yeah, that is 22 centimeters closest, and this one is 22 centimeters closest. Alright. So let's see how this works. Alright, let's go. it detects correctly. Okay, and now I need to do it on this side. Why on this side? At least I think right now it has lost the line completely. No chance that it gets back. Will it happen at the same time? Well, let's just roll this. Let's just roll. If it happens a second time. Now, this is typically the way that it should roll backwards and then say, okay, detect is stop. But that's not what I see it happen. So, data. Line detect. Not found. Backwards. Not found. Forward. Not found. And then I go to the end. No, end. Page up. And I have to go way up and I have no idea. Okay, let's search for S1. And I have to go backwards. Here it finds it. So and here it has lost the line. So question is, it does even lose its sonar distance. While that is not really logical, because when it is in that position, then here are still objects, being the camera, being the tripod where the camera is mounted, so, and even other things. So this doesn't make sense where the S1G stops. Okay, next. Okay. Really? And it doesn't even autocorrect, I think. So how does it do in autocorrect? Oh, that's a nice one, of course. I should say something like autocorrect when it goes in here. Let me start implementing that. Just align to the data. Good point. So what I should do now is, as I said, implementing some very clear point where I say, okay, this is a diversion. Now I'm at the right side, so I have to put this is an else if, and this is a while not. So Let me just put it here. And this is a write to the data file. Alright, left count, right side. And then, very important, right side correction. And this is also a right side. Now I have to be careful. Where's the else if? Yes, right. So here also goes a right side, but then right side 2, for example. So it gets very clear that that is part of it. Now here, same thing. And a correction. So this will be written into the algorithm, into the data file. Here the same thing, but then the left side. And left side correction. Then still the same left side. So that will be this one and the correction again. Let's be consistent in language. And alright, let's do it here the same thing. That will be 3. And then here correction. And this is just running over lines for no correction necessary. Okay, let's saved and all, let's go. Now I do have, of course, to put it into correct position. Let's put it somewhere here. So it has to do a little correction into the straight line. Go. It does correct. That's very nice. Yes, and I now know why it stopped, because it has not crossed the line once, it just lost the line. So now I'm very curious about look here. Very nice. Left side and left side correction. That also means that I have to make a new line here. To keep things nice and tidy. Otherwise the whole thing gets messy. Not what I like. But at least now I know which which correctional if statement is being traversed. Alright, save and put into order. Always nice to see if it indeed corrects itself. So set ready and action like this. There I go. Some correction. Boom. And color detection also, no. Yeah, on one side it does color detection, but on the other side it just stops. So the big question is, what does it do? Left side, very nice. Correction, oh, wonderful. Absolutely wonderful this. Left side 1. So does it do a left side 2 as well? And if so, which one? Yes, a right side correction. Aha. Does it do a line detect? No, it does not do a line detect, but it does do a right side 2 correction. So now it all becomes a bit more clear. Question remains though. Okay, left side correction is in the approach. But why does it push the objects away? That is not clear. Alright, let's just do it again. From here, I don't care. More line following. So, go. Very nice correction. Oh wow. What about this? Not really what I expect. Page up. Okay, it goes no further up. So, no line. Yeah, that's quite obvious. Down. But 11 and 73. What's 11? What's 73? Above, okay, 73 has to be an object outside of the camera range. I know what it is, what it could be. No matter. Okay, let's go. That's, hold on. Okay, this is following the line. Left side to correction. Okay. Then, still following the line. Objects at 47 and 39. Really? Still following the line though. Okay, here a very big correction. Okay, let's go to the end and page up. But page up is clear because it has made a turn that makes it lose the line. And for now that is, or has to be it. It's a bit more clear now, but still it should not push objects away. Right, so instead of this position I have to move into this position with the camera, because this is not what I expected at all. It obviously can happen, but why does it happen? Why does it push objects away? Anyway, obviously to be continued, improved algorithm. And how about the color? Well, no focus on that for now. So, what next? The objects, of course. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, the video, and leave a comment or suggestion if you like. Much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a donation, and you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information about my website, Instagram and Twitter and donation, see under this video. Yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching again.